Hello friends, today I am going to speak 5 best ways to utilize the time. Nowadays we are having plenty of time. It's a golden opportunity. Don't feel it as a problem and utilize it in a best way. How to utilize it? Best 5 ways I am going to discuss with you. The first one is learn. This period will never come back. You can learn whatever you want. What do you want to learn? I'll give you a few ideas. One is language. You want to develop your English communication skills or want to learn any foreign language or Hindi, any language if you want to learn, this is the best period. There are many videos how to learn English in my channel, Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel, and also Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel. So here I have prepared a lot of English videos like tenses, spoken English and grammar related. Lot of phrases videos are there that you can practice it. Learn any language or otherwise if you are a student subject, learn the subject at least in a day 2 to 3 hours you spend for your learning of your subject. So far intermediate and degree, BTech, JEE, all these exams are not yet completed. It's the golden time opportunity. Just spend 2 to 3 hours to learn the subjects. If you have any backlogs also, that you can clear it by preparing. This is the time. There are many videos are also available. You can just go ahead and if you want to inculcate any of your knowledge like certification courses, crash courses, online courses are available. That you can do it. So for students and apart from that you can select any of your hobbies. Select any hobby like cooking is your hobby. As a passion, as a hobby, you can just enter inside of the kitchen. Don't have any basics, no problem because YouTube is there. So you can try any recipe and feed all your family members. You will also feel happy. Some art you are going to get. Cooking or otherwise music, if you are passionate to music or painting, drawing, anything, whatever you want, everything you can learn. Just plan it. What is your passion? What you wanted to learn? If you plan it, YouTube is a boon. Just go ahead, follow any channel which will develop, which will give you good knowledge. Just go ahead, learn. This is the best period to learn anything, irrespective of age, irrespective of gender. Just go ahead, learn. Second one is that physical fitness. If you have enough space at your home, please go for aerobics. Good music you can just put and do some aerobics or dance you can do. Right now at present you may not be going outside for jogging and walking and all these things. When time permits, please go for outside also. And if you are at home right now, so you can do some kind of exercises like yoga is the best way. Basics of yoga you can do and pranayama, which is must to enhance your immunity system. So pranayama, breathing exercises you can start, and meditation which will give you a peace of mind. So these are the simple related physical exercises. By sitting at home you can do it. Aerobics, yoga, pranayama, meditation. Focus on this. Your immunity system will develop and you feel very active. And third thing is food and sleep management. When you are at home, you feel like eating a lot. Controlling this is very difficult. But keep yourself busy. Eat less food than the regular food. Because digestion system is not up to the mark when you are sitting at home. You can't digest. So decrease your food quantity. Like 10 to 20% to 30% you can decrease the quantity as your regular diet. So quantity you decrease, quality food you take, and balancing diet is very much important when you are sitting in front of TV or any movie. And don't keep any chips box or any namkeen or some other sweets. If you are sitting with that, you won't be knowing how much you are eating. You are simply watching the TV and the box is finished. Ultimately that's a problem for your health. That is why please keep it aside. Eat limited food and don't waste the food at this period. Wasting food is a crime. You may be having a lot of money. Of course money is yours, but sources are very precious. Don't waste it. And sleep management is also very much important. This is the right period to take plenty of rest and sleep well so that you get a glow and your immunity system will develop a lot. So for sleep management point of view, I have prepared a lot of videos. It's related to the yoga nidra and how to sleep in a natural way. All these videos you can find it if you just type it Devika Bhatnagar sleep management, Devika Bhatnagar yoga nidra. You'll find the link. Anyway, I'll give you at the top and also in the description box. Sleep management, food management. This is the third point. And fourth point I want to say is whenever you get a time, entertainment is very much important because all are at home. All the family members are at home. So this is the right time to have a best entertainment to develop the relations. A strong binding relations are possible with small entertainment. How we can go for entertainment? One thing I would advise you is please get inside of the kitchen and cook something and serve all the family members. You'll have a fun. It's an entertainment, yes. And also you will be learning the art of cooking. Cook and serve. This is the best way. And also indoor games. You can plan for some indoor games like chess, caroms, cards, playing cards, any other games. Ludo, Sudoku, and some other games are there like related to word puzzles. By sitting at home, you can plan any indoor games or Antakshari you can play. All your family members. 1 hour, 2 hours is more than enough in a day, not entire day. So like entertainment, any indoor games you can plan, and also you can go for movies. This is the best time. You have a plenty of time, 2-3 hours, one movie in a day. Select any movie where you can sit with your family members, like a good comedy movie, thriller movie, inspirational movie, or any kind of movies. So nowadays we have not only the channels, different kinds of channels. We have Netflix, Prime, and Geo Cinema. So lot of sources are there, but choose good movie and watch with your family members. I like always classic movies and comedy movies, thriller movies. Daily I've been watching because it's the right time where you whatever you want to see, that you can just recollect, you can see and enjoy with your family. So like you can plan for entertainment just within the four walls, indoor entertainment that you can do. And fifth point is that book reading, very much important. Book reading, it will enhance your knowledge, it will develop your language, and also it will keep your mind cool. Any kind of book reading, inspirational books or knowledgeable books, Akbar Birbal stories, Panchatantra stories, anything, just go for book reading. 1 hour is enough. Or paper reading, so magazines, anything, anything reading is good. So like you can plan in a 5 ways to utilize the time. Let me give you a recap. First one is learn anything. As I said, physical fitness, food and sleep management, entertainment, and also book reading. These are the simple 5 tips. Remember, my dear friends, devote your time. Don't waste your time. You can plan it in such a way that morning activities, afternoon activities, and evening activities. Morning yoga or food, and just taking rest of yourself, and afternoon just sleep well, and plan for any movie or take a power nap, and evening once again you can chit chat with your family members, read something, like you plan it. So that is different depending on you. Devote your timetable, devote yourself to the particular aspect, then plan it according to that. Time is in your hands. This time will never come back. So plan it morning, afternoon, night, like this. And this is the right time to develop the relations also. When you have a strong bonding with your family members, just you are watching movie, you are having some fun games and chit chatting by sitting in the drawing room or by sitting on one bed, all the family members, that's a very good entertainment program, I would say. So develop your relations like this. In nutshell, I would say that it should be, your leisure time should be useful and learning something and also entertainment. In this way you can utilize the time. So how you are utilizing, let me know. Myself, I'm just really enjoying this period. It's a golden opportunity to have all the family members at home and entertainment and having fun and developing relations. This is what I'm doing it. So what you are doing and how you are spending your time, please mention it in the comment side. And always have fun and always stay blessed and stay happy. Keep smiling, keep shining. Good luck.